Assalamualaikum. We from Group 5. We do the project server farm. Firstly, introduction. A server farm is also known as data center that will centralize facilities used to house and manage a large number of computer servers. These servers are used to organization to store, process, and manage a large amount of data and application. So we decide to build a company that will provide service server farm. The company for this server farm is Anas.co. The Anas.co is the business that provides service installation server for company and home. Our business server provide a centralized repository to all critical data. This will easy access, efficient backup procedure, and simplify data organization. Our business also enhance security. This is because our server equipped with advanced security protocol, including encryption, firewall, and authentication. Our scalable and can expand alongside organization and ensure that the IT infrastructure remain aligned. The reason why we choose this business because with years of expertise in the field of IT infrastructure, we are committed to empowering business with cutting-edge server solution that not only meet industry standard but also accept expectation. By choosing our business server solution, investing in reliability, security, and unparalleled support, enabling your business to thrive in the digital age.
Our nature of business involves operating server farm or data centers, which are essential components in the modern digital landscape. These centralized hubs are critical for managing and storing vast data repositories, forming the backbone of digital infrastructure by utilizing numerous servers and computing equipment to support businesses' operational needs. Key design principles prioritize uninterrupted service availability, allowing users constant access to service and data. Server farms also provide the flexibility required for businesses to adjust their computing resources as technology demands continue to grow. To enhance reliability, these facilities incorporate redundancy, including backup power and network connections, to mitigate potential downtime due to hardware issues. Ultimately, server farms are foundational to the digital world, enabling efficient data storage, processing, and distribution, and they play a pivotal role in the operations of numerous business and organizations.
For organization managing server farm, functional organization structure are usually preferred due to specialized nature server farm operation. This structure group expert in areas like servers, hardware, networking, data center operation, and system administration, promoting specialization and clear roles. Each established clear reporting lines crucial for reliability and ambiguity. For collaborative project, organization may use cross-functional teams. For example, Microsoft Azure organization example of functional structure with specialized team working together to provide cloud services. Specialization aligned with Azure goals and cross-working functional collaboration ensure secure and robust services. In summary, functional structures are ideal for server farm with cross-functional approach for specific collaborative project.
Okay, next is designation required in our company. So totally we have 20 staff in our company, which is the first one is CEO project, which is Ahmad Anas. And second, we have data center manager, which is SAMWAL. So data center manager is responsible for the day-to-day operation of the server farm, including server maintenance, hardware provisioning, and incident management. So next, we have data center technician 1 and 2, which are Justin Bieber and Steve Austin. So data center technician is to carry out the physical maintenance of servers, hardware installation, and troubleshooting of hardware issues. And for the first function, we have network manager, which is Syed Sadiq. So network manager is to manage network infrastructure, including switch, router, and firewall. So under the network manager, we have network engineer 1 and 2, which are Ali and Atan. So network engineers is to design, configure, and maintain the data center's network. And next, we have server manager, which is Mat Sabu. Server manager is to oversee server hardware and software, including server provisioning, virtualization, and performance monitoring. So under server manager, we have system administrator and virtualization specialist. For system administrator, we have Aslam, and visualization specialist, we have Johan. So for the system administrator, he is responsible for server maintenance, configuration, and troubleshooting, and visualization specialist is to manage virtualized server environments and hypervisors. So next, we have security manager. Security manager, which is Muhammad Adib. Security manager is to ensure the physical and digital security of the data center. And under the security manager, we have security analyst 1 and 2, which are Arif Aiman and Mitoma. So security analyst is to monitor for security threats, implement security measures, and maintain compliance. So next, we have marketing manager, which is Muhammad Zarif, and digital marketing manager Muhammad Razif, and SEO specialist 1, which is Izwan Zarif, and SEO specialist 2, which is Kolibali and Amma. SEO stands for search engine optimization, which to test, analyze, and check a website so it is optimized for search engines. So for the next function, we have database manager, which is Muhammad Amma. Database manager is to oversee database systems, performance tuning, and high availability solutions. And under the database manager, we have database administrator 1 and database administrator 2, which are the Andre Onana and Sergio Ramos. So database manager is to handle database setup, maintenance, and optimization. So for the last function, we have quality compliance manager, which is Muhammad Akmal. And under compliance manager, we have quality assurance specialist 1 and 2, which are John Wick and John White. So compliance manager, he is responsible to ensure data center operations meet legal and regulatory requirements, while quality assurance specialist is to monitor and improve process and performance. So that's all for designation required in our company.
To establish the project objective, define the scope, and create a detailed project plan. The second one is the project manager need to identify the stakeholders, managing the expectation and also the decision makers. The project manager will engage with stakeholders, understand their needs and expectation, and also manage their involvement through the project. The third one is develop work breakdown structure. The project manager need to facilitate effective communication among the team members, the stakeholders, and also the clients. And the project manager also ensuring everyone is informed and also involved in the group project. Next is the estimate the time requirement. And the fifth one is the project manager need to identify the required resources and also the budget. For this role, project manager will develop a budget, monitor project expenses, and make sure the project stays within the allocated budget. Next, evaluate the project requirements. The 7 essential project role for the project manager is managing project risk. The project manager have to identify the potential risks, assess their impact, and develop strategies to mitigate or manage them. The 8th is identify the interdependencies. As we all know, interdependencies is a relationship of tasks or project wherein one project can impact another progress.
So the second last is secure needed resources. Project manager need to identify the necessary resources, allocate them effectively, and ensure they are available when needed. The last one is report the project status. The project manager need to oversee all the project closure process, conduct a project evaluation and documentation. So that's all from me. Thank you.
Okay, for organization chart, we have Aman Almas as CEO himself, and we have me myself as the data center manager, which will be helped by Justin Bieber and Steve Austin as the data center technician 1 and 2. Next, we have Syed Sadiq as network manager, which will be helped by Ali Nathan as network engineer. Then we have Mat Sabu as server manager, which will be helped by Aslam and Johan as system administrator and virtualization specialist. Next, we have Muhammad Adib as security manager, which will be helped by Arif Aiman and Mitoma as security analysis. Then we have Zarif as marketing manager, which will be helped by Razif, Izwan Zarif and Kolibeli as top specialist. Then we have Muhammad Amar as database manager, which will be helped by Andre Onana himself and Sergio Ramos, database administrator 1 and 2. Then we have Muhammad Akmal as compliance manager, which will be helped by John Wick and John White as quality assurance specialist 1 and 2. In conclusion, business server farm plays an important role to customer to ensuring the reliability, scalability and security. Server provide more services such as security services, data management, data sharing and email services. Through all of services that provide for customer, it will help customers' company to manage company data, in and out data, and security must be aware.